everyone. Thank you so much for this honor. My name is Bukola Bolarinwa and I am the founder of Haima Health Initiative. Haima Health is an organization that supports patients with getting blood and getting blood donors. I started this organization given my experience with sickle cell disease and understanding the needs of people living with sickle cell, especially with regards to the challenges of getting blood and blood donations across Nigeria. So we started off just helping our sickle cell warriors call up patients, call up blood donors to come and give blood. And obviously we've been able to grow the service now to be able to support anybody that needs blood across the states that we work in. So far, Haima Health has been working in 5 states, supporting patients who need blood with requests by matching them to willing donors on our blood donor database. Recently, we started a service called Haima Mobile, which is going to help support the logistics of blood across Lagos State by helping to deliver blood from blood banks to the patients that need them. The impact of this work has been amazing. We've so far been able to register up to 4,000 voluntary donors. We've been able to expand to 5 states, and we've been able to support over 6,000 blood donations in the last 4 or 5 years that we've been working. What's been my inspiration has really been people living with sickle cell like myself, having to kind of strive through the daily challenges of life while living with a chronic health condition. And so what really inspires me is trying to remove one less hurdle or one less burden in the general survival of people living with sickle cell. What has been the most challenging aspect of this journey has definitely been trying to get people to understand the importance of giving blood. It's a challenge that we face every day, no matter how much you think that things like technology can solve some of these challenges. The truth is that we just need to get people more aware of the importance of donating blood, and not just donating blood once and thinking I've done it, donating blood regularly, being a regular committed blood donor. What is my vision for the future? I guess my vision for the future is one in which healthcare is accessible and affordable, especially quality healthcare across Nigeria for people like me living with chronic illnesses, but for generally everybody that needs to access health services. And so what I hope is that our work with Haima can help bridge some of that gap with the challenges of healthcare in Nigeria. And my advice to future impact makers who are at the beginning of their journey is really just to get started. So much of what I've learned about the healthcare space and about blood donation generally, I've learned by doing. So many times you have theories about what the problem is and how you think you can solve it, but honestly, until you get started and until you kind of dig your feet into it, you really won't know. So don't wait until you have everything perfect. Just start and do your little bit. Thank you so much for this honor. Take care. Bye.